Hi everybody, I hope you guys are all doing well today. And today we are going to be working on this client. I'm doing her makeup for a quince that she's going to be in. So I just wanted to walk you guys really quickly through what we're going to be doing. First off, we're going to grab some concealer and I'm just going to lay a base on her eyelids. This is going to be really great for allowing those eyeshadows to just really pop and stick where I want them to. And now I'm always going to start with the brush, but I am going to go back and forth with the beauty blender or whichever sponge you guys like. It doesn't have to be the beauty blender. I also put some translucent down just so that these eyeshadows slide really nicely onto the eyelid and I'm able to blend really easily. Guys, your brushes are your best friends. I feel like it's understated, but you do need a few good brushes at least in order to get a really nice transition, a really nice look. Start from the biggest brush going down to the smallest for your detailed work. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of blending back and forth using the colors that I want and kind of creating the little details that I want, getting inside of that crease with a different darker color so that the eye will start having a lot of contrast and pop to it. My client had a specific eye look that she was going for. She shows me the picture first when we do our consult, and then I go ahead and just try to imitate as best I can whatever she would like. So in this case, she wanted a cut crease with a little bit of glitter, and so that's what we're doing here. I like to lay all my shadows down first and then just go ahead and carve it out, create that cut crease, and then move on from there. So that's what you're going to see me doing using a small brush. I like this brush. It's a little bit domed, so that means it's kind of like rounded out, and that allows for me to really get in there in that socket where I need to carve it out. Here we are going to be just adding a little bit of shimmer. It's not really a glitter, it's really just more of a light shimmer that we wanted for this look. And I'm using an angle brush to do this. I'm not really sure where I got this brush, to be honest with you. Now she's going to pick out her lashes. I brought 3 styles for her to choose from, and these are the J Styles lashes. We ended up going with the style Miss Dre. These are really fluffy and long. They're kind of spiky, and we really ended up looking really good with her eye shape, and also just with this look is a little bit more dramatic, so that's why we went with this style. Guys, just be careful when you're putting this glue. Make sure that you're allowing it to get tacky. You don't want to make a mess over your client's eye. And so here we've already laid down a little bit of the highlight and contour, and we are just going back and kind of detailing. Remember, we're always going back and forth between our brush and our blender just to make sure that we really have a seamless outcome. You always want to set your face. There's 100 translucent powders to choose from. Just pick one that you like, and that will really allow your makeup to set and be there all night. Approaching the end of the makeup, and we just want to start doing a little bit more detail work, putting some mascara on, liner under the eyes, making sure that we create a little bit of a shadow, putting on highlighter if the client so chooses, blush, things like that, getting a lip on. Pro tip, guys, make sure that you're going over that lash band. The glue does dry clear, but you still need to go over it. It will show up in pictures. You'll be able to see it on the camera. You just really need to make sure that you're doing those little details. That's going to just make a huge difference. Alright, so So here's the look done. As you can see, she looks absolutely gorgeous and she's ready for her party. She was awesome to work with and I love working with her family. So grateful for this client. I hope you guys enjoy the look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks guys, bye.